So, how do you feel that we're all caught up with our Christmas gift wrapping?
I'm
Very tired, huh? You need a break. Very fun. We decided to try and put only the Christmas presents that would fit underneath the tree under the tree and not have an overflow because we kind of feel like that's a little too of a messy look. So then what we ended up doing is putting the rest of the Christmas gifts in our second bedroom in the closet here. So we just put all of our stuff here and our gift wrapping situation. That way it's just more of a cleaner look, but we did do a lot of progress today. And you may be wondering, why is this tree here? This is a tree that was in our room, but since we have the Star Wars tree in our room, I have to figure out if I'm gonna keep this little one on our first floor in the entrance or put this tree in that second bedroom that y'all just saw. But because in that second bedroom, we recently got our cabinet back from my parents' house. And so there's a very big mess in here right now. I haven't been able to figure out where I want to put this frame and where I want to put this cabinet. And then we have this one and we have our guitars. It's like we have a lot going on. This is like the room where we keep like our hobby things, you know, like the exercise guitars and movies and games and all that stuff. So we're just trying to figure that out. And that's why I'm not sure where to put this little tree. And yeah, I mean, so far it looks cute there, but I feel like it's too much for the living room because our living room is pretty small. So it's like to have this tree and that tree, it's just a little too much.
It's that time of the season where we have our annual
Gingerbread house competition. But this year is going to be super cool because you chose, what kind did you choose?
My beach house.
He chose the beach house. So earlier when we went to Target, he wanted to do mini villages, and then I convinced him to get something a little bit more fun, and he got the beach house, and I got a classic gingerbread house. I've only ever built in my life a classic sized gingerbread house once, and that was back in 2020. And then I did another village last year with my husband and my sister, but there were mini ones because we thought they were regular size. We didn't realize there were mini villages, so that was a mistake. And here we are, thank God, another year, and I'm so excited to have my own classic gingerbread house. You're excited to have your own beach house. So let's do this. Well, since I didn't get my pumpkin pie fixin' today, then maybe I'll just have some of this candy here. Okay. So I'm so excited. I think I'm going to do better this year because I feel like now I'm getting the hang of gingerbread houses. Okay. Getting the hang of gingerbread houses, and I don't even know what this is. So there's that for starters. What is this?
It looks like a roof assist.
Assist?
A roof assist.
A roof assist?
To help you build your roof.
How do I open this?
Some gummy trees.
Those look good already.
Some white frosting.
This is like the bad candy, like the candy that you're not supposed to be eating at all.
Some green frosting.
But you know what? It's just once a year, right, everybody? Just once a year. So this, what am I looking at? See, this year I'm a little better. I'm looking at what I've got.
Got some ground up ginger.
These look so good. I'm gonna have one right now because I'm craving something gummy and sweet.
Wow. And some stars. That's fun. My beach house condo.
The one in Malibu. Like that, Rico?
Oh, Brenda. This is a competition. Maybe I shouldn't help you.
Oh, come on now. Fine, you're not gonna help me? Then I'll look at the photo. Okay. Dun 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 dun. So, can you at least tell me if I'm supposed to put frosting here?
You can put a little bit to help you like set it on the thing, I guess.
I have to knead the frosting for 2 minutes?
Yeah, I mean, I already did mine.
You did?
Yeah.
You did this for 2 minutes?
Not quite a minute. Okay.
What is this supposed to do?
No, it's just supposed to make the edges a little more straighter, a little less rough, you see? You rub it together, make it look a little bit more straight.
Is this a thing, or am I just, you're making me do something silly on camera? It's like not even a thing. Have y'all built your gingerbread houses? I heard a very helpful tip on the radio.
What?
Well, I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
But it's gonna help me win today.
What was the tip?
Why do you wanna know?
Because I want to know if it's going to help you win.
Why? You don't think I have a chance? What if I told you I was practicing gingerbread houses all year? That I've already won real competitions. What would you say?
I'm just going to eat the frosting.
Yeah, good luck. Then you won't have a house at all. Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing.
You're laughing at me.
Mm.
So here's our gingerbread contestant, Mr. Rico, who has successfully put up his beach house. And his is actually a sugar cookie, huh? It's not gingerbread. You know what I realized?
What?
I never have made gingerbread cookies. Do you think I should make some?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Rico, while you build your beach house, why don't you go ahead and let us know, what is your favorite Christmas movie of all times? We'll let you pick 3 and you can't think, you just have to say it. Starting with number 3, what is your favorite Christmas movie?
Christmas Vacation.
Number 2.
Christmas Story.
Number 1.
Wait. Christmas
you
Vacation
can't
was
say.
number 1.
Oh, really? Christmas
Yeah.
Vacation number 1? Okay, number 2.
Number 2, probably A Christmas Story.
Number 3.
And number 3
Can't
is...
think, just go.
I'd probably say The Grinch.
The Grinch?
Yeah.
Well, I actually have never seen A Christmas Vacation. So maybe we should watch that movie soon. But that is looking good so far, Mr. Rico. I'm pretty proud that I was able to put my gingerbread house up successfully. Yeah, I kind of like it. So far, there's nothing else going on. Let me continue this and we'll meet you guys on the second round. We have Elvis Blue Christmas playing in the background, but we have to have it low, otherwise YouTube will yell at me and be like, you are playing a copyrighted song, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Don't want to be in trouble with the algorithm. Meanwhile, I'm going to put the door. Okay, so here's the lights. Let's see if we can do this. Lights, please. Oh wow, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. That looks so neat. It's actually kind of peaceful compared to last year. Last year was very chaotic. If y'all haven't seen last year's gingerbread house competition, you should go watch it. It's like black and white with what we've got going on tonight. We've got peaceful music in the background. Oh, what are you doing there? You're using your icing tube jingers to help smooth out the roof. That's pretty smart. Wow. Are you trying to go for what the box is?
No, I'm just gonna make lines.
Lines?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Ah, well, here's a close-up of mine. I'm adding lights like I said that I wanted to. So I'm gonna continue doing this and we'll see y'all in the next few minutes. We'll see y'all. All done with my gingerbread house. I'm much more happier with this one. I wish I could get the frosting to look a little bit more smooth like on the picture. And the picture looks very smooth. And obviously I took lots of inspiration from, you know, this classic Target house here. I pretty much did the same thing. I just wanted to add more Christmas lights and I just really wanted to make it super cheerful and festive and fun. And I feel like I'm really happy with the string of lights here. And I'm also happy that I actually put snow on the chimney, which looks pretty messy, but bear with me. And then on the side, I also added that, you know, greenery here on the windows. You know, this is the back of the house, so like the backyard. So I added all the trees here, more greenery, and I used up more lights, and yeah. So this is my gingerbread house. I'm much happier with it this year than any of the ones that I've ever done. So there's that one. And then my husband, he's just barely getting started with decorating. He spent so much time making his house look really smooth with the frosting, which is what I was trying to achieve, but honestly I did not want to go the extra mile. I just really wanted to challenge myself with using the supplies that came in the box, and my husband was clever enough to use the little tubes here to smooth this out. So his kind of is supposed to be a beach house as mentioned, and
I think Brenda won this one.
I don't think I won. Why are you laughing?
Because I said, oh no.
You're so slow, but you're making yours. But you're making yours look very neat.
We'll see.
I had fun with it. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna do this next year. It's a lot of it's a mess. It's a messy craft. You know, I could see why it's meant for kids, because kids love doing things like this, I imagine. So I don't know if there's gonna be a gingerbread house situation next year. We'll see. That's kind of what I said last year, but here we are. Loving the detail there, sweetheart. Wow. You're really going all out over here. It looks absolutely amazing. I feel like I'm at the beach now. Did it come with pelicans and seagulls too? No? Why are you so good at making gingerbread houses? Just don't understand. So focused. Wow. A window. I'm really into this beach house. This is super unique, unheard of. Actually, it's not unheard of. It was for sale at Target, but it's just like not common to see these because a lot of people gravitate towards the classic gingerbread houses. But I feel like this is so much fun. We live in California, so we're near the water and we love going to the beach. So this totally, you know, makes sense. We even have like ocean themed ornaments. I believe I've shared those with y'all. But nonetheless, how do you feel about your beach house?
My beach house, it came out pretty good. I thought it was gonna be hard. I mean, it was hard. It was actually more difficult to make than any other gingerbread house I've ever made before.
Yeah, like the sand detail and then the surfboard, the palm tree. I got some close-up shots and then like the roof with like the stars reflecting from the sky. I assume that's what I'm getting at, but what are you getting at? There's a string of lights?
It's a solar panel.
It's a solar panel, okay. Yeah, but like the stars.
Oh yeah.
Are those like the stars reflecting from the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and then mine came out pretty messy as per usual, but people give me some credit because my last few gingerbread houses were pretty, not actually pretty at all. Not that this one is pretty, it's just a very beautiful mess this time.
Yeah, yours came out really good this year.
I really wanted it to be cheerful and festive, and I feel like we did a really good job. I'm not sure if we're going to be doing this next year. Do you want to do this again next year? I feel like it's a lot of work. It makes a mess. I don't know. I mean, I enjoyed it, but once I was done, I was like, okay, I'm good. I'm good for another year or two. I don't know. Let us know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Let us know who won this competition. I'm pretty sure I know who won. I'm pretty sure if I actually put a poll up, people are gonna vote for yours because yours is so cool. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe. Everybody subscribe to the channel. Vlogmas is almost over. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!